Hi, my name is Larry Litke and I work for RB Sigma, and we are trying to get all the PPE sold to the world that we can keep everyone safe. Today I would like to show you the Bearcom IR temperature gauge that we will be selling at RB Sigma. To turn the unit on, what you will do is you will squeeze the trigger and you will see that the screen lights up. With the screen lit up, you will take this mode button and you will have to depress the mode button a couple of times to get it so that the screen says body temperature. At that point, you are ready to point it at someone's forehead 6 to 8 inches away, depress the trigger, and it will record the temperature.